Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday. You didn't have to stop and watch your girl cooking with Steph, but you did. And I thank you for that. So we are going to get on back into the next step of making Sunday dinner. As I said, this was a menu that I have never made, and I wanted to try my hand at it. Okay? So, the first thing that we want to do once we begin to cook, and we want to start our dishwater. That is the first step. Because why? We want to clean as we go. Okay? I'm just letting that water get hot. I'm going to start our dishwater when that gets warm. Before that gets too hot, let me go ahead on and drain this. Put it on a coal. I have already rinsed and washed these steaks. Okay. Anytime you're fooling with meat, you're going to want to always go behind, and you're going to want to bleach your sink. Okay? Anytime that you are fooling with meat, you want to have a thorough environment, okay? So since I had to pour that down there, pour that drain on that sink, I wanted to make sure that it's okay. Okay, so we're getting ready to go ahead and we're getting ready to move into the next step on Sunday's dinner. And what I am getting ready to do now, we have enough water in there, so we can go ahead and turn that off. So wherever you wipe, you want to dry. So, what I'm getting ready to do now is slice these steaks. Let me go ahead on and start the fire. I am going to go ahead on and start the fire. Being that I'm taking you step by step, let me show you each step by step. Okay, so I have my wok. I'm going to go ahead on and drop a stick of butter. Okay. Dropping a stick of butter in there. All that butter has melted. We're going to have that on the low, on a very low. Okay, we have that wok going. let's get back to our steak. Stay there for a minute. Stay there for a minute and follow the menu. Okay? I'm cutting up my fresh garlic. I have my fresh garlic cut up. I am going in now and make sure that butter sauce is down on a low. And I am going in now with a knife, and we are going to go ahead on and we're going to cut up our steaks. Okay? We're going to cut up our steaks. And I am going to simply slice these steaks. Yes, I am going to keep that part because that is the flavor. That's the grizzle. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to slice. This is something that you don't want to rush with. You want to take your time. And you want to go ahead on and slice your steaks. I will be cooking these steaks in a great butter sauce, a butter garlic sauce. So you have the idea of exactly what you want to do at this point with your steak, with your chicken, with your lamb. Okay. Let's see if these shears work a little better. Let's try the shears. Yeah, the shears work best. So on this, we want to use the shears.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
Should we get back to take a shower?
Sure. Okay. Slice. Much better with the shears. And that way you can go along with the grain and the cut of the steak. Okay? So we're cutting these up. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Got some great rest. Got some great family time in. So I will join you back after I get all of these steaks cut up and we move on to the next step.